What's up, YouTube people? Alright, I'm back with another video of something that I fixed that I want to post about, and it drove me crazy for a while. So this is specific to if you have a Ford Lincoln Mercury vehicle and you have Sync3 installed, so I think anywhere from like 2014 to like maybe 2018, 2019 timeframe vehicle with Sync3, and you're trying to update via a USB drive and it's failing or just not even recognizing your USB drive. So in my case, I was just trying to update to the latest version of Sync, get some new features, fix all the bugs, all that fun stuff. And I did everything on Ford's website that they said to do, plugged it into my vehicle, it wouldn't recognize the device. So I'm scratching my head, what did I do wrong? I went back and tried it several different times, still didn't work. Okay, what's the fix? Well, in my case, it was that my USB drive was formatted with GPT, GUID partition format, I believe is what it stands for, versus MBR, which is master boot record. So what you have to do is convert your USB drive to MBR and then copy all the sync files over and all that fun stuff. So let me flip cameras here. Found an article online here of how to do it. So it's using the disk part command in Windows. So you go over here to your command prompt, you have to run it as administrator. You'll type in disk part and you'll get to the disk part prompt there. Okay. Now you're going to do list disks, or list disk, excuse me. So, and forgive me, I'm typing with one hand while holding the phone. All right, so you can see I've got two disks listed there. The top one, disk 0, is the hard drive in my computer. I don't want to mess with that, okay? But you can see over here on the right where it says GPT, it's got that asterisk. So that means my computer's hard drive is GPT formatted. Disk 1, I've already converted it. I'll convert it back here for the video, but disk 1 is online. It's already in MBR because there's no asterisk under the GPT column there. But for the sake of the video, I'm at least going to show you the commands to type to show you how I got to here. So once you've got your disk part command run, you've listed your disk, you've identified, okay, disk number 1 is my flash drive. Okay, it's 60 gig flash drive. All right. So now the command here is to select disk and then the number. Okay, so over here, I'm going to type select disk and then 1. Okay, so I've typed select disk 1. So now disk 1 is the active disk. All right, now you type clean to delete everything on the disk. So clean. All right, it has cleaned the disk. Now you type convert GPT over here. Okay, so convert GPT, and then boom, it is now converted to GPT. GPT is not what we want though. We want it to be MBR. So let's go back and just look at our disks now. Now you can see I've got that asterisk over here under GPT. Okay. So again, we're going to go and select disk 1. So instead of convert GPT, it's going to be MBR. Okay, boom. So now it's converted to MBR. So now at this point, you can format the disk and then copy over your sync files. Okay, so if you pull up disk management on your computer, you can see I've got my disk 1 here. We're going to create a new simple volume. And right here, you want to select exFAT. Okay. Hit next, and then finish. Okay, boom. So now I've got my flash drive converted to MBR, and I've got my flash drive formatted as well. So now I can take my sync files here. I can copy this over here to my flash drive. Okay, I skipped through the copying there. So now we can extract these files here as well. So extract all. Yes. Okay, now those files have been extracted. And so per Ford's instructions, you have to copy all of these files back to the root of your drive. Okay, so once that's done, then we can take it to our vehicle. Okay, so the finished product should look something like this. And really, you could probably delete the zip file from the drive, but if you've got enough space on there, it doesn't hurt to keep it. So once you have everything set up like this, and you've converted again to MBR, make sure that when you're looking at this, you don't see that star or that asterisk under GPT. If you see that asterisk, you need to run this conversion command to then convert it over to MBR. So that was my fix. I hope that this helps somebody. Again, if you have a Sync3 system, you're trying to update via USB drive, and it's just not recognizing the device when you plug it in and start up your car, check and see if it's using this GPT format, and then run that conversion, and then copy the files back over, take it back out to your vehicle, plug it in, and then start it up, and you should see it start to update. So that was the fix for me. Hope it helps somebody else out there too. Thanks for watching.